I don't know.
It's a bit too small. Don't like the angle of that.
What's this like? Any good?
Yeah, you've got a nice stick. Your one looks like something out of Lord of the Rings, to be fair. It's a nice one.
Yeah, it's decent.
I need to find my
Mine's
forever.
a little bit like,
I need to find my forever stick.
I don't know, have a look at my stick a little bit. Can you kind of show them a little bit about the stick?
Talk to them. Tell them what the story.
Well, personally,
What's the story behind the stick?
well, to me, this is my story behind the stick. So, obviously, it gives like this is obviously oak wood. It's off an oak tree.